Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about the best cases for the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE you can buy right now. Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE brings the iconic foldable experience to a wider audience with its more affordable price tag. And just like its premium sibling, it deserves top tier protection as well. So, whether you are looking to preserve its sleek design, enhance your grip, or add a bit of flair, the right case can make all the difference. That said, let's get started. So, first off, I would like to take your attention to GTEC's elegant case. GTEC's case for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 if it delivers sleek, lightweight protection with thoughtful details. Made from hard PC with a special coating, it resists fingerprints and smudges while providing a smooth premium feel. However, what I like the most about this case is the metallic ring connector that enhances grip and adds a secure hold for texting, selfies, or quick flips. The snap-on design and inner adhesive straps ensure a tight, stable fit that won't slip while still supporting wireless charging. Even better, raised bezels protect the camera, flash, and screens from scratches when laid flat. With precise cutouts and clean button alignment, this case balances form, function, and minimalist protection, ideal for users who want durability without adding any bulk at all. And then I would like to highlight the Eye Blossoms Protective Shield. Eye Blossoms Protective yet pretty stylish shield offers rugged, all-round protection with a design tailored for active users. Built with a combo of flexible TPU and tough polycarbonate materials, it delivers certified 360-degree drop protection, guarding against dust, dirt, and impact. A standard hinge protection design shields your phone's fold without hindering functionality, ensuring smooth operation. What's more, the case includes a detachable belt clip holster with a swivel mount, ideal for work, travel, or outdoor uses. Notably, the elevated bezels protect the screen and camera from surface damage, while precise cutouts offer unhindered access to ports and buttons. It's the perfect choice for Flip 7 FE users who need durability, utility, and convenience in one secure package. And now is the right time to talk about Nilikin case. Nilikin stands out with its clever magnetic hinge mechanism, ensuring the case stays securely in one place whether the phone is open or closed. No manual adjustments needed at all. It features a buttery soft, slim design made from textured, non-slim material that feels premium in hand and resists fingerprints. Despite its minimal bulk, the case offers dual-layer protection covering all corners and including effective hinge coverage. The raised lips around the screen and camera add extra defense against scratches from flat surfaces as well. With precise cutouts for all ports, buttons, and features, this case is a perfect blend of form, comfort, and smart engineering, ideal for anyone seeking sleek and reliable protection. Next up, I would like to take your attention to Subcase Highly Protective Case. Subcase boasts military-grade protection with a sleek and functional design. Made from durable PC and TPU materials, it features a sleep-resistant bumper and withstands drops from up to 48 inches, tested 26 times to ensure durability. The standard hinge protection technology absorbs, shock, and safeguards the fold during everyday use. A pop-out kickstand supports a 50-degree viewing angle and doubles as a ring holder for a better grip. What's more, it also comes with a built-in front screen protector that defends against scratches without sacrificing touch sensitivity. Despite its rugged build, the case remains lightweight and portable, with a detachable rotating holster that adds convenience for both indoor and outdoor use. And finally, I would like to talk about Vigo, the stylish case. Vigo is endowed with a robust, all-round protection with added convenience features. It boasts a built-in hinge protector with a textured anti-skid grip that slides smoothly and seals the fold from shocks and drops. A tempered glass screen protector is also included, offering strong defense against scratches and impacts. The case features a 360-degree rotating ring stand, allowing for adjustable, hands-free viewing during work or entertainment. Additionally, the metal patch on the back supports magnetic car mounts, making it ideal for navigation on the go. And that's about it. So these are my best cases for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE you can buy right now. Now that you have known my top picks, it's time to say your favorites, and I'll catch you up in the next one.